Okay, when we first start trading, and this is where, for beginners, is they don't really know how much they don't know. And then you start attending a few courses and you start reading up a bit and you realize how little you really do know. And this is why we need to get here. We need to get to conscious knowledge, where we know a lot, we have to think about it. That's okay. We can all trade and make money if we get to this point right here. One of the reasons is because we have a set of rules. Everything we do has a set of rules. All you got to do is follow the rules. We do the thinking in order to create the rules. But when we're actually trading, all we do is react to price changes and follow the rules. This is what you ask, all right? This is what 90% of the educators do in this country, right up here at the top, right here. They teach you how markets work, teach you about indicators, and there's probably 130 different indicators, which are the mathematical formulas. And they might even teach you multiple trading strategies. One of the things you need to be careful with is that if you're looking at different mentors, people who you want to go with as far as your education, find out if they have a software package, and then you have to download your data from them, because if they capture you and say the only data that will fit into this software package is their own, they usually double what it costs for most data service in this country. So you don't want to get tied into a software package where you have to download the data from them. But here's the key. This is what you ask. Anybody who you think might be the right person for you, ask them if they have one comprehensive, rule-based trading system, and do they trade that system and publish the results? That's the key right there. If you have a think about that, why wouldn't they, if they had a system and they were showing you how to trade, why wouldn't they trade that system and show you how they trade and publish the results? Because if they do and they show you how to do it, it gives them instant credibility. If they don't, it's because they probably can't make money with their system. They might teach you a lot about the market, and it might be good information. But in the end, if they don't teach you a system and show you how to trade that system, then you're going to have trouble making money from it. Because the only way to learn is to find someone who is actually doing it and making money from it, and you follow them. You won't end up, of all the people that I've traded and trained over the years, I don't believe any one of them trades like me. We do the boot camp every year, and we're in the 7th one coming up this year, and it's been sold out every year, and some people have been to all 7. And I've never met anyone at boot camp who does exactly what I do. Every single person changes something because of their personality and their trading philosophy, and they make it their own. And that's what they're supposed to do. You know, I say that they're stealing from me. And you know, they're not stealing really, they're borrowing. They're borrowing what I give them, and they're changing it. They might say, I really like this about Jim's system, and I like this, and I like this, but actually I think Guppy has a better approach for actually getting out. Or I think I like Van Tharp, the way that Van Tharp manages money. So there's, or they might say, look, I really admire Stuart McPhee and Louise Bedford, who do candles, and I want to put candles and have candle reversal formations as part of mine. So the easiest way to learn is to find someone who's going to take you through it step by step, rather than starting from scratch and trying to create your own. And then as you go along, you're going to change it, and you're going to make it your own.